Just one subscriber, welcome back. You know, it's a boy Caribbean Boys Cooking. So you know, say, I walk go check Rasta in the morning. So we end up on one call and we are line up to shoot another great video today. You know, so some big steel soup with red peas and pumpkin in the morning. And so I go check him on, so I'm go on with breeze a blow. Guys, the food stuff them can't buy a market since Beryl Pass through. Like chua like $500 a pound. Pepper almost $1,000 a dozen. Nothing can buy right in our market. So I go check dog in the morning from Rasta. Sun hot boy. How up there?
We there, man, you know, so we always there.
You put coconut in that soup? No, I don't know. You put coconut in that soup?
When I red peas, you know, man. When I red peas, you know, with pig still, you know, I go. Coconut king. Well, baby down. Yeah, man, some pig still with red peas, soup you cook there. Red food, yam dash in.
Me I tell the people them say you since Beryl Pass through, nothing can buy a market.
Yeah, yo, brother, man tell me say 600, I pay 2 pounds a yam. I say 2 pounds, 600, everything gone. So, we there, man. You know, we're on the way, we're line up and we're going to kick off to all for the Sunday afternoon.
Yeah.
Soup Sunday today, name. Soup.
Yeah. I get ready for your next time.
Yeah.
Yes, so we are catch up the fire. Rasta the on the ones and twos right now.
Oh, I got the fire started. Okay, we'll try to catch the fire.
Yes, so we are use one eye fire for the pig steel. Scald off here, because you know it's soak in a salt. You know we have to break down the salt as possible. And then we pressure it. You know, so pig steel soup today. Red peas and pumpkin.
Yeah.
So the next part now we are going to put on the ground provision and the red peas in it. So every time the pig steel cook, we are going to just add it in the soup. Yeah, I'll catch up the next fire, you know. This a fire I'm going to put on the peas pan. Go and cook. Rub some dog fire.
I'll wrap the fire. Blaze. Yeah.
Pig steel I go on.
You get the pig steel and cut up. And I cut them smaller. So when I cut them smaller, the salt easier to boil out of it.
Smaller we use the pig steel, brother.
Yeah, man,
Pig steel I drop on them.
It's a ear piece. You love a ear part.
A chef Gary part I drop a girl.
Chef Gary, big up a damn self. It's been a while, bro.
Yeah,
man.
You know, so yesterday I did that talk to him to line up to come back so we can get busy for the work.
Yeah. We're there, man. We're there still. I know it things. Always have out.
Big coconut. I'm going to open water in it. Wow. Oh, you know?
And it looks.
It looks like a work off.
No taste, you know. No good.
You finish it and tell her. Yes, man. What a sweet boy. Yeah, me a scald off a pig's tail. Some garlic in it. And at this pot now, I'm going to add some pimento seed. Then I'm going to add some garlic and peas pot. Wash the peas 2 times. Very important to wash the peas. Sometimes you have all type of trash in it. You just throw the peas in the pot and cook it, wash it. Get rid of all dirt. Yes man, and we're going to cover, boil up, and then we sink the peas. I'm going to put dog in the pot to hold on the peas today.
Water in the pot to hold on the peas.
Yeah, almost done. Almost done with my guys. We are grate out the coconut. Extract the milk from it to go in a pig's tail soup today, you know. Rastaman favorite pig's tail.
You just call me name. Yes, man. How you know? Call me name.
Yeah, coconut work me out like big. Greater sharp, I don't know how I do, I cut up myself. Yeah, what a bubble up. For spoon drop, let's go wash it out. Add in the coconut. Pumpkin. Pumpkin colorful and pretty boy. You know what this is a soup that go turn out good.
Yes.
Rinse off the spoon from now. Cover, eh? Yeah, add in the pig's tail. When you scald in the pig's tail, you don't want the pig's tail to be too salt, and you don't want pig's tail to be too fresh, because you don't want to take away all of the flavor from the pig's tail. You just want it in between, not too fresh and not too salt. As remember, say you know, one portion of a liquid, you know.
Yes, peeps, we're adding some carrot, Irish potato, chocho.
How you find breadfruit every time?
Eat.
Eh? How you find breadfruit every time?
I know some berry left couple breadfruit for the little cheese on my back of yard.
Eh?
Yeah, man, left couple months. So we dice up them breadfruit, we dice up some of my breadfruit. You know when that boil out, it will give the soup a good and nice body.
Shock when time I see you with the breadfruit this morning, because I say,
Berry left couple of breadfruit for the chief room, man. He say not take off everything. So you eat a stir now.
I say a pot of rock, man, I want to eat pot. You rasta man, you dash your soup.
Nah,
You
turn
know.
over man, turn over. Come on, so you eat a stir and let make it boil and make them go on. And breadfruit and go and boil out. So yes, peeps, what a bucket. Add in some yam.
Guys, the pig's tail soup smells so good. Man. Yo, me just not like how you pot a rock.
Look at you now.
Just not like how, because right now I have to get down in this a pig's tail soup, right?
So we're adding some little dumpling, like, and big old carrot, so little dumpling.
better.
See them here. Hit the dumpling like that. Pig stew with red peas, pumpkin. Can't wait.
Where is your card?
Can't wait to get tonight. Oh my world. Yo. There's a pig in them, or a pork in them. What do you know? What do you know, Talbot?
Call a name.
Ah, what? You know. Good day, man. On the Sunday evening, we just feel for some soup, you know? No rice and peas or no. Some soup. Fully active.
Yeah, so I add in some dasheen in our soup. Green scotch bonnet pepper. Just a little more piece of pumpkin. Just a little bit more pumpkin in it. The reason being why I save these pumpkin for the last because the first set of pumpkin I go cook out. So I just wanted the pumpkin, the remaining part of the pumpkin to add in it for colouring. I add some boiled corn in our soup.
Watch pretty soup, peeps.
Yeah, so this is a part I call season of the soup. So we add 2 chicken noodles in it. One a pumpkin flavour.
So like when they make ram goat noodle.
So we add one little piece of butter for flavour. We add some fresh thyme, green, chopped scallion, green scallion. Yeah. And we add a little bit of all purpose for flavour as well. Where that's in our Rasta?
So like when they make ram goat noodle.
Yeah.
And they make chicken noodle.
Yeah.
And they make fish noodle. Some big greatest noodle.
Pork noodle.
Pork noodle.
So what make you not invent that the one day?
I'm going to Billy watch. But if not, I'm going to make it. I'm going to make it pork noodle. Yes, man.
Yeah, so we are get a stir. Because we don't want the noodle to settle in the bottom of the soup. And that is why we have to stir it, because if we don't stir it, it will settle down in the bottom and then the soup will start burning. We don't want that.
Where's the Joan?
You say Rasta love chat about pork, the Rasta.
Oh,
Pork dread.
Yeah guys, #1 subscriber, you know. Always a support Caribbean Boys movement.
Yeah.
yes, man. Great Joan.
Link up with the team, you know.
Yeah. I mean, I call up.
Come here's the soup Rasta boy, because I feel your favorite this, you know. See, give me camera man.
Yeah, peeps, I right party, give me no. Taste it bad. Eat a store first. Watch colorful soup, man.
All the thing what I want cracky pepper for extra, a little bit of spice from.
Yeah. One thing you want, peeps. One thing you want. I just simmer down. Nothing more. Can't wait. How can I suppose say? Pig's tail with red peas. Oh my world. Okay, peeps. She finally come ashore. We have a share out there. So kind of.
There's a visitor first.
Yes, man, I must visit her first. So I think that do thing like
Oh, you have to search for that.
yeah, man, everything like man. Yam, breadfruit, dumpling, meat. If you just share, so you give them one of every, you give one smelly. Same.
You have is
I put everything in that bowl, G.
Turn up in it. Wow. Yes, good. Caribbean vibes. Like, subscribe and share.
Fully active. I want that is Joan, man.
Yeah, man. So bad, man.
Guys, here the rain has come down. Hear there?
Good job, Pete. Good job. Them are 2 liquor. Look at there. Them 2 liquor. So, I have to take on the pot. Watch out. So, the spoon all drop down in the pot. Them are soup. I can't drink it. Them look plate there. Big steel with red peas. Now coconut milk. Oh my, really pot all bun milk. I tell you. So nice.
Rain has come down, we have to go.
Rain a come, but I still a do it. Big up on yourself.
Hear there? Hear there, guys?
Rain.
Okay. Guys, look for the man, all in the fall in the rain.
People may tell you, the rain start and I tie my foot. You can't move.
Man, that turn up in the rain that come in the house.
The rain not do it. Watch out. Watch out. You know, when I'm hungry, I'm not turn around. I can't move. I have to make talk. Can't move. I have to. Something can't bad, man. I tell the people something nice. Don't need to taste it.
Take time, man.
I don't know where Jim. Yeah, man. Pig steel soup with red peas, cooked down in coconut milk. Oh my word. When I done this, I want more. Soup Sunday. It's not going to turn down, hold on. It's not going to go if you. That's how I like when I look with the people there. I watch out. I get no soup. Soup there. The people don't like soup, you know, most of the food they love. But I love soup. I love when we alone there. I don't drink a butter soup. That's a great food.
That's what I mean, I like.
You know, pig stew. Soup. What is this food? Peeps, you need to do.
One.
See there? No long me no come on the flag. Work me I work, but guess what? A soup there. So me happy there, you understand? Come for your...
Yeah, guess the last time when Chinaman come on the vlog, man. Remember the last soup day video where we showed? Up a water wave. That's the last time.
Yeah.
Them tell you ital soup,
Yeah.
pea soup,
Beef soup.
beef
Soup
okra.
there. That was a soup Sunday.
Soup
Yeah.
Sunday, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, today again, big
Yeah,
Sunday.
the red peas,
Big steel red peas, corn.
breadfruit, everything, man.
Oh my
Bird
word.
left one breadfruit by cheese.
Oh God,
You
give
need to
thanks.
take away one of it.
Give thanks. Tell man,
It's a good look, man.
it's a blessing man. Good to see you again man.
Yes,
Good to see you
man. To
man.
God be the glory.
We don't got no way now. That work.
Yeah. We know that, man. Cause some of the time for me get the best of me same way. Yeah.
Good day, man. You know.
Dog, you
Every brother
understand?
there, man.
Real soup.
But a pig soup there, you have to come out. You know, they have to taste it, but you know,
Yeah, the
see,
what-
come taste it, yeah.
Yes.
When I know what dig I had, cause when you know the on the vlog 9 to 5, I host, see that. That
Yes,
come
man.
on. See
Yes,
that,
man.
that come on.
Good luck.
Yeah.
Take your time, dog.
Come on.
Good time.
So this
Easy,
is
sir.
how with the beer in the scene and I put in my people, see that? I hit that the man. God
Oh,
be
it's
the
a good
glory.
look, man.
See that?
You know.
Yeah. So I say it's set, you know. Deep fan of pork. Really have nothing against it, but you take a little bit of
Boy, I love it pork, you know, people. Love me that pork.
I love pork. I watch it on the channel, remember see me come up with the rolls, you know. I watch it on the channel, I watch cook and hit up it.
As I tell them, they have make pork noodle. And they have chicken noodle, they have fish noodle, and they have goat noodle. So what's the pork noodle? How have to do
That boy ain't easy.
Hey, bro, it's soup full of flavor.
Yes, sir.
But you see coconut milk,
Yeah.
Turn up in the soup. Turn up. Mm-hmm.
Too bad, man. Bad.
I like 1 year now when I see China man. Love you, bro.
Always, man.
Yeah, man.
You can put it on a piece of soup,
Yeah, man.
put it on a piece of soup, you can't find a soup.
Guys, China man now work in demand, you know. They want to take care of the kids, they make sure they go out September morning uniform, well neat,
Well
fresh
neat.
thing.
Yes,
You
man.
know, say, you have to make it doing things because food is a must. You have to work with pay bills. You understand? So, and nothing man, Caribbean Boys Cooking Vlog family, we still there man. We love each other. As always, and have respect to each other.
Yes, man.
They are more.
Oh, we have to.
You know, say, like, comment and share man. Subscribe man.
In the channel. You know, for this news.
Yeah, man, remember, say, God is love.
Always.
Yes.
Just in God.
Yeah. God is love. Yeah.
Oh my world. I don't know a jail, man.